Let me ask you a painful question. How many of you have had a deal that felt done? Handshake in your head, MRR already mentally spent, and then it just vanished. No email, no call, just silence. That's not bad luck. That's a broken sales process. And here's the reality. MSP sales don't fail at the proposal. They fail weeks earlier, during discovery, positioning, and expectation setting. And the worst part, you almost never get a second shot. Today, we're going to talk about how MSPs accidentally sabotage deals they should be winning. And more importantly, how to stop doing that. This sounds obvious, which is exactly why most MSPs get it wrong. Everyone says, we're client-focused. And then they open the meeting with, we have great people, fast response times, and amazing tools. Congratulations. You just sounded like every other MSP. Here's the truth. Prospects don't care about your features. They care about relief. They care about risk reduction. They care about not getting burned again. If they're talking to you, it's because something already failed. Your job isn't to impress them, it's to diagnose them. The best MSP salespeople don't pitch first, they investigate first. They ask uncomfortable questions. They let the prospect relive the pain. Then, and only then, do they position a solution. Just find the one reason they'll buy. That advice has killed more MSP deals than bad pricing. Switching to MSPs is not like switching coffee vendors. It's disruptive. It's risky. It's political inside the company. People worry about downtime, migrations, blame, and looking stupid if it goes wrong. One reason isn't enough. You need layers of justification. Operational pain, financial pain, security risk, productivity loss, leadership frustration. When multiple people inside the organization feel pain, momentum builds. When only one person cares, deals stall. Your job is to turn hidden frustrations into undeniable urgency. CEOs don't feel IT pain the same way employees do. The owner has the newest laptop, the fastest internet, the VIP support experience. Meanwhile, someone in accounting is rebooting a 7-year-old PC 3 times a day. The receptionist is apologizing to customers because systems freeze. The operations team is building workarounds instead of doing real work. That's where the truth lives. If you only talk to the decision maker, you only hear the polished version of reality. If you talk to the front line, you uncover the problems that actually justify change. And here's the magic. When employees feel heard, they become internal champions for your sale. Let's be honest. No one wakes up excited to buy managed services. This isn't a sports car purchase. It's new tires. It's a dishwasher replacement. Necessary, but not fun. That means if you just list what's included, prospects immediately start removing things. Do we really need that? What if we take this out? Can we start smaller? Your job is to connect every service to a consequence. Security tools prevent downtime. Monitoring prevents revenue loss. Standards prevent chaos. If you don't explain why everything matters, the client assumes it doesn't. Let's lock this in. 1. Be client-centric. Diagnose before you prescribe. 2. Stack reasons to buy. One reason creates hesitation. Many create momentum. 3. Talk to the people that actually feel the pain. 4. Justify every single line item like it protects their business, because it does. This is how MSP sales stop feeling random and start feeling repeatable. Now, if any of this feels familiar and maybe uncomfortably accurate, you don't have a motivation problem. You have a training gap. ChartDeck offers 2 paths. Core sales training gives you on-demand access to proven MSP sales frameworks you can apply immediately. But if you want real transformation, the Sales Training Lab is where theory meets pressure. You present, you're challenged, you're coached, and you leave knowing exactly how to close. This isn't generic sales advice adapted for IT. This is MSP-specific, battle-tested, real-world training built by people who actively run a multi-million-dollar MSP. You practice real scenarios. You get live feedback. You learn what actually moves deals forward. And you join a community of MSPs who are done guessing and ready to scale with intention. Sales will always involve a risk, but losing deals because of preventable mistakes is optional. If you're tired of almost closed deals, if you're tired of prospects ghosting, if you're tired of inconsistent MRR growth, then it's time to stop winging it and start running a proven process. Every day without a structured sales process costs you money you'll never recover. The opportunity didn't disappear the way you approached it did. Reach out, get trained, fix the process. Because MSP sales success isn't about being smooth. It's about being strategic, intentional, and prepared. When you do that consistently, the closes take care of themselves